On today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple, easy, and free method in generating leads for your business or for your clients using ChatGPT. I'm going to be using the free version of ChatGPT. And firstly, we have to start with Google. We're going to come to Google and paste this command. So here we're looking for restaurants on Instagram. So it's going to bring us the Instagram handle of restaurants, and also we're going to get their email addresses. So we have added the commands for Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail, and the rest. So once you paste this command on Google, I'm going to add this command to the description of this video. So once you paste it on Google, you hit enter. So here is going to give us all the Instagram handles of all the restaurants nearby, and then it has provided like about 10 pages. So you're going to copy this and paste it into a Word document. So we'll copy this. Firstly, go to open a Word document on your computer and you paste it here. Then you go back to page 2. Copy. So here, yeah, that's how you're going to go back to page 3 and copy. So this is the way you're going to copy all the pages one after the other till you've gotten all the data that you need. After you've copied all the data from Google, you're going to now come to ChatGPT for the main task. So you come to ChatGPT and you paste this prompt. I'm going to also add this prompt to the description of my video. So this prompt is for ChatGPT. We're telling ChatGPT to format this table we're going to provide with the columns. So it's going to help us to format it to add their full names, the company name, the website address, the email, and the phone numbers. So in here, we're also telling it that in case there is any of this information that it does not find, it could just add not found to it. So now you hit enter. And you're going to go back to your Word document and you're going to copy all the data that we've provided, copy them into ChatGPT. You can do it more than once. Copy them and come here to ChatGPT and paste it. When you come here to ChatGPT, you paste all those data that we have found, and here it's going to give you all the information. Going to now put all the information it has found so far into a table. So here you can see that there are so many informations that are not found, but you have to keep pasting all the other data that we got from Google. Eventually, you're going to get the amount of data that you need with the right informations, or you can always go to their Instagram handle to get more informations. And when you paste those data that we found on Google into ChatGPT, so it's going to now create a table like this with all the informations that it has found so far on those data. So this is how you're going to now go and paste all the other data that we found into ChatGPT to format the table. So here, after it has formatted the table, you can now copy this and you open an Excel spreadsheet on your computer and you paste this into an Excel spreadsheet. So you can now paste this into an Excel spreadsheet and you start working on getting the other informations that it did not provide. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to generate leads, especially when you need leads for outreach or cold emails. So this is how you can generate leads with ChatGPT. And don't forget, I have added the command I used on Google, and also I have added the prompt I used on ChatGPT. I added all this into the description of this video. And if this video was helpful, kindly like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.